Okay, Wick, so what's our situation here?
Well, I got this new old stock lens, and I got this made in China thing.
The surround.
Chingadera, well, if it goes the right way.
Yep.
But it's no fitty.
New old stock does not fit in Chinese.
No.
And then Chinese doesn't fit in Chinese either, does it?
Not all of them. But these two Chinese went together pretty well.
That's like orange chicken and fried rice right there.
Yeah, so I gotta find...
Come on, Allie, that's funny.
It is funny.
So now you need new old stock for new old stock.
I
Because
guess.
then they'll fit.
Wait, why does that... Turn that chrome piece around for a second. No, without the red lens. Why is there red up in there?
Because it's on the end.
Oh, so it fits into... Oh, got it.
Crazy.
Alright. So I found two Chinas that work.
There we go.
Oh, get down.
Allie's having too much fun. So we need to make wall art.
Yeah.
There's our
New old stock
new old stock guy.
Anyone want a pair?
of new old stock or an actual pair. You got the seals for that, Wick?
Yep.
Are you getting all the Lincolns outside as well?
That's gonna be later.
Oh, okay.
I'll do that before we leave.
Roger.
I'll be like Lincoln shindig.
Shield.
Seals.
Socket.
Sockets.
Oh,
Ooh,
there's
these are
another one with the porthole madness.
the yeah,
What do you call those things?
Porthole madness.
opera window.
Opera window.
Opera window.
Ooh.
I like the opera windows. I especially like old cars that have inappropriately installed opera windows that came with no opera window.
Look at him. He is totally ready for his car.
He's ready
Yes.
for St. Patrick's Day.
God, we are absolutely inappropriate. We're out of control in here.
Wow.
Well, it does, doesn't it?
Well, he likes the color green.
Alright.
Maybe he's lucky.